You're already running late, windshield is completely fogged over. You're sitting there watching the clock while the heat slowly does nothing. Most drivers just crank the temperature higher and wait. Here's what nobody tells you. That AC button on your climate panel isn't just for cooling. It actively pulls moisture straight out of the cabin air. And moisture is exactly what's causing that fog. Press AC while your heat is running and your windshield clears in almost half the time. Most modern cars already do this automatically the moment you press the defrost button. Engineers figured this out decades ago. Your dealership never mentioned it. That's one of 12 features already in your car that nobody showed you when you bought it. If you watched the last Hidden Features video, this is everything we didn't cover there. 12 more. All different, all verified. One of them prevents a safety issue most drivers are living with right now without knowing it. Another one turns a stranded emergency into a 3-second fix. Let's get into it. Feature 1. Defrost your windshield twice as fast. Picture this. Cold morning. You're already running late. Windshield completely fogged. You crank the heat to maximum and sit there waiting while the clock moves and the fog barely shifts. Here's what most drivers have absolutely no idea about. Your AC system is not just for cooling. It actively strips moisture from the air inside the cabin. And moisture is exactly what's causing that fog in the first place. Here's what they don't tell you. There's usually a button right on your climate panel with a windscreen and 3 upward arrows. Press it. Your AC kicks on simultaneously with your heat. The heat warms the glass while the AC pulls the humidity out of the cabin air. Windshield clears in almost half the time. Here's the kicker. Most modern cars already do this automatically the moment you press the defrost button. Engineers built this in decades ago. If your car isn't doing it automatically, press the AC button manually while your heat is running. Same result. Here's what makes this brilliant. This works just as well on a humid summer day as it does on a cold winter morning. Anytime your windshield fogs from humidity, inside the cabin or outside, this combination clears it faster than heat alone ever will. One button. Always was there. Nobody showed you. Feature 2. Start your car with a dead key fob. Picture this. You walk out to your car, press the start button, and nothing happens. Key fob battery completely dead. You're standing in a parking lot already late, and your car won't start. Here's what most drivers have absolutely no idea about. You can still start your car even with a completely dead fob battery. Every modern push-button start vehicle has a passive RFID reader built directly around that start button, specifically designed for this exact moment. Here's what they don't tell you. The chip inside your key fob stores your vehicle's unique authorization code permanently. It doesn't need battery power to hold that code. The RFID reader pulls it directly through proximity. No transmission, no battery required. Here's the kicker. Hold the dead fob flat against the start button, not near it, against it. Press the brake, push the start button through the fob. Car starts. Takes 3 seconds. Works on Toyota, Honda, Ford, Hyundai, Kia, and most other push-button start vehicles built in the last decade. Here's what makes this brilliant. One paragraph buried in your owner's manual. Your dealership knew this the day you picked up your car and never mentioned it once. Now you'll never be stranded by a dead fob battery again. Feature 3. Auto fold mirrors on lock. Picture this. You park on a tight street, a crowded parking garage, barely enough clearance on either side. You walk away hoping nobody clips your mirrors. You come back and find one hanging by the wiring harness. Here's what most drivers have absolutely no idea about. Most modern vehicles have a setting that automatically folds both side mirrors inward every single time you lock the car. Walk away, hit lock, mirrors tuck themselves flush against the doors. Here's what they don't tell you. This feature ships disabled from the factory on most vehicles. It's sitting in your settings menu completely untouched since the day you drove off the forecourt. Find it under mirror settings or door and lock settings in your infotainment system depending on your vehicle. Here's the kicker. Mirror replacement costs $300 to $800 depending on the vehicle. Heated mirrors, power folding, blind spot sensors, the more features packed into your mirror housing the more expensive that repair gets. This one setting change prevents that repair entirely. Here's what makes this brilliant. Once activated, your mirrors unfold automatically the moment you unlock the car and fold right back in when you lock it, every single time without fail. Folded mirrors from across the car park also give you instant visual confirmation the car is locked. No more walking back to check. Feature 4. The coat hook behind the grab handle. Picture this. You just picked up dry cleaning for an important meeting tomorrow. 3 dress shirts, a suit, still on the hangers. You lay them across the back seat and drive home. You arrive with everything creased beyond saving. Here's what most drivers have absolutely no idea about. There is a hidden coat hook built directly into the grab handle above your rear doors. Look at the grab handle mounted on the interior roof, lining above the rear passenger door. You'll find a small folding hook tucked right into the base of that handle. Flip it down and you have an instant hanging point strong enough to hold garments, bags, or a light backpack. Here's what they don't tell you. This hook is almost always on the rear passenger side specifically because that's where most people hang things when driving alone, but many vehicles have them above all 4 doors. Here's the kicker. The hook keeps hanging items completely off your seats and off your floor. No wrinkles, no spills, no fumbling around trying to find what you threw in the back seat. Here's what makes this brilliant. Check your grab handles right now. There is a very good chance you have been laying garments across seats and watching them crease for years, while a dedicated hanging point sat directly above you the entire time. Feature 5. The recirculation button. Picture this. You get into a hot car in the middle of summer. A C on maximum. 5 minutes later, the cabin is barely cooler, and you're still sweating through your seat, wondering why your air conditioning feels completely useless. Here's what most drivers have absolutely no idea about. There's a button on your climate panel most drivers ignore completely that fixes this instantly. The recirculation button, usually a small icon showing a car with a curved arrow inside it. Press it, and your AC stops pulling hot outside air into the cabin and starts recirculating the cool air already inside. Here's what they don't tell you. Your AC works dramatically harder when it's constantly fighting to cool fresh hot air from outside. Every cycle it pulls in air at 35 to 40 degrees Celsius and tries to bring it down to 20. The moment you switch to recirculation, the system is only cooling air that's already partway there. Cabin temperature drops significantly faster with the exact same compressor load. Here's the kicker. Recirculation also blocks outside pollutants, exhaust fumes, and allergens from entering the cabin while you're stuck in traffic. One button press gives you faster cooling and cleaner air simultaneously. Here's what makes this brilliant. Switch it off in winter. Running recirculation in cold weather traps moisture inside the cabin and causes windows to fog rapidly. Use it in summer heat and heavy traffic. Turn it off in cold weather and when you need fresh air circulation. Know when to use it, and your climate system works twice as efficiently year-round. Feature 6. Steering wheel reach and rake adjustment. Picture this. You've driven your car for 3 years. Same seating position every single time. Steering wheel exactly where it was the day you drove off the forecourt. What if that position is making you less safe in a crash without you knowing it? Here's what most drivers have absolutely no idea about. Your steering wheel doesn't just adjust up and down, it adjusts forward and backward too. Reach adjustment moves the wheel toward you or away from you. Rake adjustment tilts it up or down. Most drivers set their seat and mirror position once when they buy the car and never touch the steering wheel position again. Here's what they don't tell you. Airbag deployment is designed around a specific distance between your chest and the steering wheel hub. The recommended distance is at least 10 inches, roughly the length of your forearm from wrist to elbow. Too close, and the airbag deploys with full force directly into your face before it has room to expand properly. That proximity turns a safety device into a serious injury risk. Here's the kicker. Most drivers sit too close to the steering wheel without realizing it. Adjust the reach so your wrists rest comfortably on top of the wheel with your arms slightly bent. Not fully extended, not cramped. That position puts your chest at the correct deployment distance and gives your arms room to absorb impact naturally. Here's what makes this brilliant. Tilt the wheel slightly downward so it points toward your chest, not your face. In a frontal impact, the airbag deploys upward into your chest, the strongest part of your torso, instead of directly into your face. 30 seconds of adjustment could be the difference between walking away and serious injury. Feature 7. Hidden storage under the trunk floor. Picture this. Trunk is full, bags sliding everywhere. You're convinced your car just doesn't have enough storage for everything you need to carry. Here's what most drivers have absolutely no idea about. There is an entire hidden storage compartment sitting directly underneath the trunk floor that most people never open once in the entire time they own the vehicle. Here's what they don't tell you. Grab the carpet panel on your trunk floor and lift it. Underneath, you'll find the spare tire well, but surrounding that spare is usable space specifically designed for tools, jumper cables, emergency kits, and anything else you want completely out of sight. Here's the kicker. Many vehicles have secondary compartments alongside the spare divided into sections with removable dividers. Storing heavy emergency gear down in this well lowers your cargo center of gravity and makes the vehicle slightly more stable. Here's what makes this brilliant. While you're down there, check your spare tire pressure. Most drivers haven't checked theirs in years. A flat spare is exactly as useful as no spare at all. Feature 8. The sunglasses compartment in the headliner. Picture this. Sun directly in your eyes, sunglasses buried under receipts and cables in the center console. You're fumbling around trying to find them while driving. Here's what most drivers have absolutely no idea about. Many modern vehicles have a dedicated sunglasses compartment built directly into the headliner above your head. Look at the area around your interior dome light. On many cars, you'll find a small spring-loaded door that flips down to reveal a compartment specifically sized to hold sunglasses without scratching the lenses. Here's what they don't tell you. This compartment stays at cabin temperature, significantly cooler than your dashboard or center console, where heat warps plastic frames and damages lens coatings over time. Here's the kicker. Many vehicles include a small mirror inside the compartment lid, a hidden vanity mirror built into your roof lining. Here's what makes this brilliant. Your sunglasses are stored directly above your eyes, reachable with one hand without taking your eyes off the road. Check your headliner today. You may have been fumbling through your console for years for something that was one arm reach above you the entire time. Feature 9. The headrest angle adjustment. Picture this. Long drive, neck aching by the time you arrive, head falling forward or headrest pushing your head at an uncomfortable angle no matter how you adjust it up or down. Here's what most drivers have absolutely no idea about. Your headrest doesn't just adjust up and down. On many vehicles, it also tilts forward and backward. Look for a small button or lever on the side of the headrest post that lets you angle the cushion forward or back. Here's what they don't tell you. Headrest position directly affects whiplash severity in a rear-end collision. The cushion needs to sit close to the back of your head, not pushing it forward, not sitting too far back to make contact when your head snaps rearward on impact. Here's the kicker. Most drivers set their seat once when they buy the car and never adjust anything again. 30 seconds to properly angle the headrest can eliminate neck fatigue on long drives and genuinely reduce injury severity in a collision. Here's what makes this brilliant. Adjust it today and feel the difference on your very next drive. Feature 10. The auto-dimming rear view mirror. Picture this. Night driving. Car behind you switches to high beams. The glare blasts directly into your eyes through the rear view mirror. You tilt it away to cut the glare and lose your view of everything behind you. Here's what most drivers have absolutely no idea about. Your rear view mirror is probably already handling this automatically. Look at the bottom edge of your rear view mirror. Small green indicator light means you have an auto-dimming system built right in. Here's what they don't tell you. 2 sensors. One facing forward, measuring ambient light. One facing backward, detecting headlight glare. When the rear sensor detects headlights significantly brighter than ambient light, the mirror glass darkens automatically using an electrochromic gel layer inside the mirror itself. Reacts in under a second. Here's the kicker. Every time you tilt that mirror manually to cut glare, you're defeating the entire system. The rear-facing sensor moves off the axis. The electrochromic system stops adjusting correctly. Leave it in the normal driving position and let the technology handle it. Here's what makes this brilliant. Check your side mirrors too. Many vehicles extend auto-dimming to the driver's side mirror. Full glare, protection from every angle. Already working every night. Only effective if you stop fighting it. Feature 11. Floor mat anchor hooks. Picture this. Hard braking, emergency stop. You press the pedal and feel resistance. The floor mat has slid forward and is bunching up underneath the brake pedal at the exact moment you need full stopping power. Here's what most drivers have absolutely no idea about. Your car already has the solution built directly into the floor. Look at the driver's side carpet. Small anchor hooks mounted right into the floor, specifically designed to lock your floor mat completely in place no matter how hard you brake. Here's what they don't tell you. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration issued multiple safety advisories specifically about unanchored floor mats interfering with pedal operation. Documented accidents, real consequences. Here's the kicker. The problem isn't factory mats. Factory mats have the anchor attachment points built in. The problem is aftermarket universal mats that most drivers buy to protect original carpets. Universal mats don't use the anchor points. They sit completely loose and slide freely. Here's what makes this brilliant. Lift your driver's side mat right now. Find the anchor hooks on the floor. If your current mat isn't attached to them, fix it today. 10 seconds. Zero cost. Directly affects your ability to stop in an emergency. Feature 12. Diagnose your car with your phone. Picture this. Check engine light comes on. Most drivers immediately panic, book a dealer appointment, and sit in a waiting room for 2 hours just to be handed a bill for a scan that tells them almost nothing. Here's what most drivers have absolutely no idea about. You can run that exact same scan yourself from your driveway using nothing but your smartphone and a device that costs less than $20. Every car built after 1996 has a standardized OBD2 port under the dashboard on the driver's side. Plug in a small Bluetooth OBD2 adapter, download a free app like Car Scanner, and within seconds, your phone is reading every fault code your car's computer has stored. Here's what they don't tell you. That same scan mechanics charge $50 to $100 for is just a readout of codes your car has already saved internally. You're paying for someone to plug in a device and read a number. Here's the kicker. These apps don't just show you the code, they tell you exactly what it means, how serious it is, and whether it's safe to keep driving. Some codes are as simple as a loose fuel cap that triggered a sensor. $20 adapter. Free app. Same diagnostic power dealers use every single day. Here's what makes this brilliant. You can clear the codes yourself after fixing the issue. Resets the check engine light without a single trip to a mechanic. Next time that light comes on, check it yourself before you book an appointment. Most of the time you'll know exactly what it is before anyone else touches your car. 12 features, all already in your car. None of them were mentioned at the dealership. Defrost trick, dead fob start, auto fold mirrors, coat hook, recirculation button, steering wheel safety position, hidden trunk storage, sunglasses compartment, headrest angle, auto dimming mirror, floor mat anchors, phone diagnostics. Every single one was there the day you drove off the forecourt. Which one surprised you most? Drop it in the comments. I'll tell you if your specific model has it and exactly where to find it.